in terms of the Ost1 Smart Batch, we've got quite a number of tools across a wide range of different food industries, and in Melbourne, we're in quite a big proportion of the actual biscuit manufacturing in Melbourne. So those and cheese manufacturing. So biscuits and cheese, in terms of the Smart Batch Ost1 processes, we're further ahead than some of the developments that have taken place in terms of in New Zealand. So we're able to bring larger biscuit manufacturing technology, through to what you guys are doing. No two manufacturing places are the same. There's always differences. So a part of what we've proposed is to spend about 60 hours reviewing in detail more of how you do it. It'll be Tony and myself and Carlo, who's our new programmer in this particular area, and then shape up a more detailed presentation and proposal, which you'll find will be a lot more specific to you. There'll be a number of things in here related to biscuits, biscuit manufacturing, a lot of similarities, but there's not two people do it the same way, because they have different customers, they have different manufacturing requirements. So some of the people using Ost1 and some of the parts we're going to show you is profile products, ingredients mainly, manufacturing. Cuisine, so they manufacture in Australia for all the fast food outlets like Domino's and Aldi, frozen goods in that particular case, frozen desserts. Smart Foods, who you'll know. Kez's Kitchen, so pretty high volume biscuit manufacturing, a lot of gluten-free products they make. Turk's Chicken, who manufacture chicken in New Zealand. Again, even traceability, food safety, critical in terms of chicken area. So in terms of the Ost1 strengths in this area, it's building on the inventory control, so it's got a strong inventory control framework within Ost1. Obviously it needs to be fully implemented, and the sort of scanning approach we've got, which links traceability, makes it a lot easier to maintain strong inventory solution. Ingredients, recipe management, recipe batch costing, which you'll be using some of at the moment. Material requirements planning, barcode scanning, shop floor data screens, which I'm going to show you some of in a minute. And then QA safety data collection. So the last time I come out, we were talking about collecting QA data into the system at various places in the factory, so that can all be done electronically off tablets out of Ost1. And automation friendly. So we've got some customers who would be doing, in some cases 400 invoices a day. And as you can appreciate, 400 invoices a day, you haven't got time for people to go there and actually print off every invoice. So their invoices come out automatically off the system as goods are dispatched. So there's a lot of automation can be put in place where appropriate with the system. Strong price management you'll be aware of, and EDI friendly, e.g. linking in with other ordering systems, websites, those sorts of things. And I know Tony's talked, about that to an extent. So Smart Batch, which is food specific, that works in with Ost1, is what we have developed predominantly within the tools available in Ost1, and some screens are actually a special Windows screen where we've wanted to streamline the Ost1 screens in some areas that enable people to enter products in fast. So This is an example of an Ostendo developed screen, just 4 main buttons, takes the operator into each area. So the screens can be made very specific to the users and be made easy. It might not be so much maybe for the people here, but with the smart batch system, here's an example of sales forecasting by customer. So in this particular case, there's a bocconcini, it's cheese, but the biscuits are the same thing. Bocconcini, we've got, I'll go down to this one here, I've got some data, so got a few Italian customers, a bit hard to pronounce some of the stuff, but Caciocavallo, 3 kg. The total for November 2008, in this case 45, it's made up of 15, which Emerald Emporiums want, 10 which Jim Gold want, and the other, which is everyone else that doesn't have a customer specific forecast, is 20. So the total forecast sales orders for November in this case is 45, 230 for December, and so on. So what that enables these companies to do is to overlay their standard usage, in terms of sales orders, what they're expecting demand from their, typically it might be we sell a couple of thousand boxes, in January, but we've got a promotion or we've got a new customer coming on board, and he's saying he wants 1,000 in January, he wants 500 in February, he wants another 1,000 in March. That enables that forecast for that product, for that customer, to be put into the system. The